I bet you guys have never done this before. I bet that you've never shot a BB gun before. Okay, so I'm gonna be shooting this with my pellet gun right here. It's break action. So yeah, this should be pretty good because I have not even shot this. Like I've shot it before, because as you can see right here, shot it before, but that was with a weaker pellet gun. That wasn't from the one that I had now. So yeah, I am going to be shooting this BB gun with my pellet gun. So see you guys after I shoot this thing. Make sure that you always wear safety glasses. Hey guys, big shout out to Jared Stellar. This shot's for him. Yeah, I didn't even see what happened there. Okay, here we go. We're gonna see this. Dun, 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 dun. Holy cow, let me make a pretty big dent. Okay, next we're gonna be shooting. Just trying to get it focused. Yeah. Okay, so next I am going to be shooting the stock, just to see what happens, and that's gonna fall, and I'm probably gonna have to, restart my shooting the stock. Okay. So here we go. Hey guys, we're gonna be shooting the stock. Okay guys, here we go. Okay guys, I didn't think I shot the stock. So okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, so